Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This week I've gone down to the boat, found it cold and damp, and had to troubleshoot and find the problem. So this time I'm going to just put this video up of going home after cold and dark, and then I'll follow up with the videos of what I did for troubleshooting and the work I did on the boat. Thank you for watching. Well, here we are once again. Sunday afternoon. It's about 20 to 5. Grenham again. Price war here. What we're doing is enjoying the afternoon. I had a good time this weekend. The boat, it felt good to be on the boat and doing something. Of course, trying to climb up the ladders and up and down the stairs, it still hurts that foot a bit. But overall, it looks pretty good. They got a tarp up. I didn't get a picture of it. I was trying to get it done and I didn't want to set up cameras, but I got a tarp spread over the aft of the fly bridge because it was not attached anymore and I didn't like all the water coming in. And I think some of the water problem is because there's some kind of drainage issue down the side. So let's see, what else we get done? We troubleshoot the lack of power in the aft stateroom, and that is a bad breaker and burdened wires. So apparently the breaker was bad. It had been frozen in the used position, so in other words, no matter what you flipped, it was still 120 volts across there. And when I accidentally plugged in two heaters in the same circuit, it overloaded the circuit, but it didn't trip, which is downright scary. The wires melted. I've got to replace those wires. That'll be a project for next weekend. I'll just have to strip them back to good wire, splice in new wire, splice in a connector, replace the circuit breaker, and we'll have power back in the aft stateroom again. Let's see, plug some more holes. You saw that. That's pretty exciting stuff. And overall, it was a pretty good weekend. Felt good to be back on board. Start to get back aches and pains, so naturally it was good. Well, thanks for watching.